Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up Instagram Shop. So first things first, open your Instagram app and then click on the settings icon. Now once you're here on a screen like this, choose Meta Account Center. Now inside the account center, make sure your Instagram is switched to a professional account. Now this step is very important. Once that is confirmed, make sure that you have enabled all the Meta technologies and features available. Now that's all we need to do on Instagram for now. Now let's move to our next step. For this, open your Facebook account and then open your page. If you have not created a page yet, then on the left side of your screen, scroll down and click on Pages and then choose Create a Page. Now select the type of page that you want to create. For example, you want a business page, brand, community, or a public figure page. Choice is yours. Enter a name for your page and then choose a relevant category. After that, click Create Page to finalize the initial setup. Here you have to add a profile picture and a cover photo, then add contact information, location. You can also customize the about section with the bio or other relevant details. Now, once your page is created, you can manage it and access features like Insights, Ad Center, and Professional Dashboard. Now, from the left menu, click on Meta Business Suite and it will take you to a new dashboard. Now on this screen, you can see here is my Facebook account and my Instagram account is not yet connected. So in order to connect your Instagram account, what you have to do is bring the cursor over this Instagram icon and here you can see it is giving this option of get started. Click on it. Now next, what you have to do is log into your Instagram account, log in with your credential and make sure you grant all necessary permissions. And don't worry, it's completely safe as this is Meta's official platform. Once connected, your Instagram is now officially linked with Meta Business Suite. Now, once this is done, click on All Tools on the left side of your screen. Now, in this section, you can see here we have a lot of tools. So, look for Commerce option, click on it, and this is going to take you to Commerce Manager. Now, click on Get Started to begin creating your shop. So here you have to add details about your product, whether you will be adding a physical product or you want to sell some e-products. Choice is yours. And if shops are not available in your region, don't worry, you can use a VPN option as well. And once the shop creation begins, you will be asked to choose your checkout method, set your billing and shipping information, and then create or connect a business account. After completing all these steps, your Instagram shop will be fully active and ready to go. Now that your shop is set up, head back to Meta Business Suite. Here you can create ad campaigns to promote your shop. For this, go to All Tools and then search for Campaign, Collaboration, or click on this Ads option. And here you will be able to launch collaborative ads. You can boost your posts here, or you can run targeted campaigns directly from here. And that's it. Your Instagram shop is now officially live and ready for action. You can now manage your productions, create ads, and grow your business all through Meta Business Suite. And that's it.